I'm gonna be grinding to Dark Matter for 15 minutes. So yeah, stash and relax. They banned Satchel. Oh, okay. It's just gonna add another skin. We'll do another one tomorrow, probably. Oh my, I suck at Satchel. Okay, I haven't played the knife in a very, very long time. Nor have I even played rifles in a very, very long time. So I'm gonna need to get used to this real quick. Jello. Jello. Finally, dude. Oh, I need to change my skin, bro. This actually sucks. I'm not. And I'm sorry about all the people who like this skin, but I'm not really a fan of it. That's why I'm not gonna use it. I don't feel like it. Okay. Yeah, this skin is like way better for some reason. That's on my opinion. Not gonna lie. I can't really mute the keyboard sounds, so yeah. I would try to mute it, but I really can't. And then there's a lot of keys. So when I unlock Dark Matter, what should I grind like next? Sniper, AR. I'm not gonna grind Warhorn nor Bow. I'm probably gonna grind Daggers after this. Yeah, but I need to actually have a crosshair for that since I am not aiming with no crosshair. With the daggers. Anyway, like I might just hide your knife recovery. Like when I use knife and another yeah bro. Okay. Okay, it's time to use my secret tactic. Okay, I think that's one. Take those. I missed. I need to like kill people who's on like this. With the knife, of course. Hello, bye bye. I mainly just snipe them when they're like, you know, outside of my reach with the knife. Yeah. But if I can like most definitely reach them with my knife, I'm going to knife them. Just like that person. This guy's out of the map, so I can't. Maybe grappler would be a good one for this. I don't really use this skin for this since that normally I use my Event Horizon or something else. But but I'm not using it right now. Since it's just supposed to be a knife video and not a hydro knife video. I should probably make a hydro knife video, huh? Probably turn on my crosshair back. Okay, I want to turn on my crosshair. And for all those Karambit fans, but of course, if anybody likes the Karambit who's watching me, I'm gonna use a battle song in a bit since I don't really like this. Gonna lie. Yeah, it's a pretty good skin, OG, but battle song just has a better hitbox. And yes, I'm talking about hitbox. Some skins just make you better, but I'm just using this. I could use a normal skin and a free-to-play skin. What the heck? That guy was right inside. And I'm not gonna use a sniper anymore. I'm gonna use an AR. So I mean, it's pretty good. Way better than snipe. Did that guy just snipe me without looking at me? Cause it felt like it. Or I could basically just use a sack. Yeah, let's do this right. I can just use the grappler. Well, I mean, I really like satchels, but when they're like outside of my range, I can't really, you know, backstab them, which is the whole point of the knife. Backstab them. Hey, get over here! What the heck? Bro, he's just dodging my knife. It's just so annoying. Fine. Hey, get over here! Yeah, that's right. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna change to Battle Song. I'm more of a Battle Song player, not a Karambit player. Back in Guardian Knife was so easy because there wasn't these such tryhards inside the game. It'd just be like you're just backstabbing. I think I got Diamond Knife when I was like level 200. I'm level 300 and I just got Diamond Hands. Yeah. Yeah, I actually got Diamond Hands on my birthday. And the same thing, I got 300 right there. So it was pretty nice. The grind was pretty hard, but I would say it's worth it. Oh, that guy got a title rat. This is so annoying, bro. Can't really aim. I mean, I haven't played this game in quite a long time. I don't even know how long. I think like ever since I found out TTD was a little bit better than a long time ago, I started playing that game. I even started playing some Spider-Man games just because I wanted to. Iron Man as well. I should probably try Iron Man games, huh? Yeah. Okay, let's change my skins first. Let's go with this to the Battle Song. This to this. Event Horizon. SU Dutchman. Yeah. Also Splash. I think next time, the next video, we should probably use a sniper, huh? Find a sniper. Yeah, I don't really have a skin for the Warhorn. Because there's like no skin for the Warhorn for me. Crab Claws. I don't really want that. Yeah, okay. Not really that much Warhorn skins for me since that. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. There's not that much Warhorn skins. Just sad, not gonna lie. I don't know. No, I don't want Splash again, bro. Splash is so annoying. I can't even do anything. Not sure on good FPS and good MS. You guys can look at it on it right here. Oh, it's a satchel again. Because now there's no more like bouncing things. Yeah, I don't really use knife that often anymore. I used to use knife a lot of the time before. Like sometimes just like infinite. Oh, they're inside of this, okay. Oh, I see what they're doing. Okay. Okay, I see what they're doing now. Mate, you really think that I can kill you? Yeah, easy, bro. Easy. Just too easy. My perfected skills can kill you forever. Okay, can we pause? Can we actually like pause? Oh, great. You can even do it. What if I just use a grenade launcher actually, bro? I don't like this guy and sneaky little cat. Let's just put a grenade launcher, right? Would be good. Yeah, let's just use a grenade launcher, bro. While using the knife, of course. Hello, bro. What the? You're just gonna wait for me to come to backstab him. Bye bye. Oh, he just hacked you. Okay. Well, it was fun doing this. But I guess we met our maker. Yeah, we've actually met our maker na pala. Wait, does katana work? Yay!
Yeah.
And he's back. We did, bro. We did not meet our makers. I killed him. I died. What? What? Jello. Jello, bello, pero. Ow! Mama. Hello. Baba. He's gonna come after me, watch. I already know it. He knows that we met his maker. Yup. Bro just knows he met his maker. Bye bye. I don't recommend just looking up, like come on, dude. If you're gonna kill a hack, you better do it better, because somebody can just kill you, obviously. No turning on his hack. Yup. All it did. It's over, guys. The hacker's going to win. Psych! Anyways, yeah, it's been 14 minutes. We might just end it off. But yeah, we got a lot of kills. Let's actually go check how much kills we got. I had 17,000 kills for this. So let's go check. 17,632 kills. We got that much. We are so happy, bro. It wasn't that bad, I guess. So yeah. See you guys soon in the next video. We're actually gonna grind sniper in the next video. Bye.